Following the cryptocurrencies world, you've probably heard about mining, in particular about proof of work and proof of stake. We need to be sure everything that is written on the blockchain is true. It needs a decentralized system that confirms a certain transaction took place at a specific time. In proof of work, the probability of mining a block is determined by how much computational work is done by the miner. The miners are expensive machines built specifically for mining and won't be able to be used for anything else. In proof of stake, the probability of validating a new block is determined by how large of a stake a person holds. It works by allowing cryptocurrency owners to stake their coins. This gives them the right to verify new blocks of transactions on the blockchain and add them to the network. Is it possible to combine the benefits of both proof of work and proof of stake consensus systems on its blockchain? Today we will investigate the idea of creating a better balance of power between miners and users by allowing users who don't own a miner to participate directly in the network consensus and act as a check on miners, which means a hybrid consensus mechanism of both proof of work and proof of stake. Decred aims to solve the inefficiencies of the Bitcoin blockchain. It was created by copying Bitcoin's code, and thus the cryptocurrency offers similar features with varying modifications. Also compared to this premier cryptocurrency, the design of the Bitcoin blockchain network is such that miners hold too much control over the Bitcoin network. The Bitcoin miners are the ones who conduct transactions and create new blocks, as that's how the Bitcoin blockchain was supposed to operate. It utilizes its hybrid consensus and on-chain governance systems to ensure that a small group cannot dominate the flow of transactions or make changes to Decred without the input of the community. Decred uses hybrid proof of work and proof of stake consensus mechanism that keeps the distributed network of computers running its blockchain in sync. A PoW-PoS hybrid system gives the miners, users, and developers an equal say in the network. Hence, miners won't have too much control over the Decred network. Users can stake, or in other words lock, DCR coins for a specified period that will allow them to participate in a lottery to determine who is included in the consensus mechanism for each block. These participants are known as stakeholders. DCR has a reward sharing system, which the awards are split between miners, stakeholders, and the organizations. Mining refers to the process in which transactions are being validated on the DCR network. This is done to keep all the transactions secure. In return, the miners will be rewarded with the DCR tokens. Decred also has an interesting voting process. The integral part of the voting process on Decred is voting tickets. Each proof of stake ticket which is called to vote during this interval will include votabits which indicate whether the ticket holder wishes to accept or reject the new rules or if they wish to abstain from voting. Anyone who wants to own a voting ticket in the Decred network can do so by freezing 5 DCR tokens. Stakers are given tickets, a non-transferable asset specific to the Decred network, with 20 tickets being available each block. 5 of those tickets are then randomly chosen, and their owners then validate the correctness of blocks proposed by miners. To prevent spamming, Decred charges 0.1 DCR token on every suggested change. It is a well-planned safeguard against spam attacks. Due to this safeguard, no one will submit irrational or senseless changes for implementation on Decred. Decred is actively pursuing integration with the Lightning Network, so users can initiate payments across Bitcoin's network with its native token DCR and potentially hold multiple assets in Decredition, the Decred wallet solution. The wallets. The web wallet is the easiest way to get started with Decred. All users can access it online via wallet.decred.org without the need to download anything. For Windows, Mac, and Linux users, the credit-in wallet is available. Decred has also a governance system which is named Polidia that aims to create an open environment for new ideas, and Onion is free to submit new proposals for consideration. Once submitted proposals are reviewed by Polidia admins, where they can censor spam proposals. Voting system for accepting and implementing them. To sum up, it is a multi-platform digital currency with support for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Easy-to-use wallet apps enable sending, receiving, and mining Decred with just a few clicks. Decred security, adaptability, and sustainability are the 3 pillars upholding its infrastructure. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the Decred blockchain? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tab the subscribe button